Let's learn vocabulary through stories. Today's words: banal, brazen. When the movie Macherla Niyojkavargam was released in 2022, fans expected a gripping political thriller. Sidhu, an IAS officer fighting corruption, seemed like the perfect hero for a bold story. But as the film unfolded, viewers realized it was filled with banal scenes, the same old fights, dialogues, and political drama they had seen countless times before. What truly surprised everyone was the director's brazen confidence in promoting it as a game-changing film, even though it offered nothing new. In the end, audiences admired Nithin's effort but left the theater disappointed by the film's lack of originality. Word: banal. Meaning of banal: so lacking in originality as to be obvious and boring. Refers to something that is trite, predictable, or uninteresting due to overuse or repetition. Examples: 1. The movie's plot was banal and entirely predictable. 2. His speech was full of banal clichés. Synonyms for banal: trite, hackneyed, cliched, unoriginal, mundane, commonplace. Antonyms for banal: original, fresh, novel, innovative, creative. Word: brazen. Meaning: bold and without shame. Refers to someone acting openly, boldly, or without embarrassment, often in a way that is considered disrespectful or audacious. Examples: 1. She made a brazen attempt to cheat on the exam. 2. His brazen behavior shocked everyone at the meeting. Synonyms for brazen: bold, shameless, audacious, impudent, insolent, unashamed. Antonyms for brazen: modest, shy, timid, humble, discreet.